Yeah, it's recording. I wonder, it probably records sound too, eh? If I hit the thing right. First crawling adventure. Oh, good catch. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There you go. That's the way to do that. Your hands-free crawling techniques.
That opened a lot easier with this guy.
Because you're being videotaped, so. Got to get that back tire back on the. Go up over there.
No partner that wins me over.
Yeah. There you go. That's it. That's the bitch there. Yeehaw! Yip yip! Yeah. Hip ya damn ya! Oh yeah! Yeah, somehow you went into that V right there, yeah, just like you're doing. That's the bit. Yeah. Okay, now go. Yeah. It's nice with the lake and everything. Oh no, don't. You'll never get around it, Dick. You might want to go save it. Oh well. That's not bad. That was wicked, actually. That was wicked. Oh, you got stuck on that one little thing. Nice. I got that.
Battery's dying.
Is it? Doesn't look like it. Battery's dying? Really? Oh, the turtle. Got the turtle effect going there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. Oh, that in there? Oh, yeah. Oh, it is dying, eh? Oh, wicked. That's just wicked. Oh, just wicked.
Now there's another.
No. Oh, yeah. Oh, good one. That's an awesome fucking tree. Hey?
Yeah.
I like just the looks of it. Oh, look at that. Gibber. Oh, that was wicked. You're going to like that one. This thing's still recording it. If I had I know there's a zoom on there. I'm blind. I can't figure it.
Sand on those.
Now it's going to be slippery. Just go in the water and just go, woo, woo. See that one? Oh, wicked, wicked!
Like off racing.
Oh, nice! That was nice. little bit of weight on that thing, it's just gonna, you know,
Oh, yeah.
it's gonna be wicked.
Slippery stuff.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, I like how it just always lands on his freaking feet. Nice. Some photos and some water behind it.
People watch us?
I don't know.
Oh shit. Oh, no.
Oh, that's cool though, eh? It doesn't look like it just bounces. It doesn't look like there's much wrong with the
Because it doesn't move much.
like the. No, I'm talking about the like. It doesn't do anything to the fucking body at all. Nice. Is there a USB on my TV? You just plug the phone in to the TV?
I think so.
Really? How do we get this on the? Oh, on your computer we can, right? Yeah. Oh, you're gonna have to YouTube this. This is wicked. Go, go. Oh. You just see this like wicked shot we got going here. Okay, now be careful. Don't go too freaking high. You're an animal. Oh, you're slippery. Oh, your tires are slippery, eh? Wicked. You actually kill. Yeah, come back down. Nice catch. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. Did you get it? Oh yeah, give it a roll. There you go. Oh, thought it was gonna roll back up.
Rolling down.
Nice tree. I like this tree.
See if I can go.
Yeah, but kind of a dead battery. It's not really. Jesus. Oh, you're out of range. Can't see shit. Maybe I can see your little lights somewhere along the way. Hey, that's pretty good. Eh?
I think you
Did you just turn around?
Vivo.
Did you turn around?
Yeah. No, it's not losing its
Really?
This isn't juicy.
That's wicked. That it's that far. Eh? Don't you think?
Yeah, it don't go just as far as the Revo probably.
Yeah. See, that's the big difference between a piece of shit. You know what I mean? Oh, do some figure eights. Figure eights. Enter. Oh, it's dead?
That's all she got.
This shit dies right away, eh?
Oh, his battery's done.
Yeah, that old battery.
You got his batteries.
Yeah. Okay, so I just press this stop. Yeah, there we go. Oh, no, didn't stop. There we go.